Okay guys, so hi, this is a video from Bopack Run, and I'm going to show you how to use a hairdryer. Okay, so what you do is you turn the hairdryer on, okay? You can't see this. This is my mum's hairdryer. You just get this switch. Is it this one? Yep. And just flick it. It goes on. And then when it comes on, just simply dry your hair if it's wet. Or sometimes you can like just make your face form. You can just make your face form really. Right, okay, so you turn it on. First step, turn it on. But just so you can't hear me, you then go like this, turn it on, and then go like that. How you use a hairdryer, and I'm trying to do a YouTube video.
Oh, sorry.
No, you talked it, and now you wrecked it, Dad. Just wrecked it. Just wrecked it.
Sorry, you can do another one, can't I? Just... Go on, mate. Let it go.
I can't believe that.
That was your pattern.
I can't believe that, Dad. You just ruined a perfectly good video. And now look at the time. I can't now watch. Not cool. Well, anyway, turn it on and then dry your hair, and then it'll be dry. So I'll just show you what it will look like. There we go. That's how you use a hairdryer with your dad interrupting it. Okay, so thank you for watching and bye.